Bitcoin could see a 4.20% retracement tomorrow based on 30 rates. But first, let's check what the price has been doing today. Bitcoin has retreated 5.80% over the past day and is trading near the $82,890 mark. Now, let's hear today's analyst opinions. 30 Rates expects the price to reach $79,382 by January 31, a retreat of approximately 4.20%. Bitcoin might move down to $82,490 per Traders Union. That's about 0.50% lower than now. Cryptonization highlights a potential move lower to $82,551.06, a projected drop near 0.40%. Another outlook from CoinCodex projects Bitcoin could climb to $83,203.14, about 0.40% above now. To conclude, Gov Capital Collector targets $87,969.27 by January 31 with 6.10% upside. This one holds the top earning potential. We've heard from all five. Let's continue the analysis. Let's take a closer look at the key details of these forecasts. Looking at the forecast as a whole, the likely range for price movement is between a decrease of 4.20% and a gain of 6.10%, depending on the analyst. So in the end, Gov Capital Collector has the top forecast with 6.10% gain in value by tomorrow. As a result, you could earn between $4 and $61 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability data, Cryptonization's forecast is the most dependable, with a 77% chance of success. Using the full set of forecasts, I've worked out one unified consensus picture. The consensus view points to Bitcoin trading flat near $83,119.09. Now, let's dive into it. The consensus scenario points to a 0.30% price increase under the current outlook. That development suggests your capital could also gain by around 0.30%. For every $1,000 put in, this scenario could point to about $3 gained. And overall, the probability of the consensus scenario for Bitcoin holding true is roughly 77.80%. Next in line, let's see what analysts project for the market direction in the coming 3 days. 30 Rates expects the chart to tilt downward. Also, Traders Union points to a bearish path. Cryptonization sees little change in the short-term outlook. CoinCodex sees the chart leaning upward. Similarly, Gov Capital Collector projects an ascending trajectory for Bitcoin. By merging analyst expectations, the consensus paints a picture of steady upward momentum for Bitcoin across the 3-day outlook. Overall, most analyst perspectives point to Bitcoin trading on the downside. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. The question is, which ones matched reality? Ultimately, the final settlement was $84,649.60. The closing price showed that just a handful of forecasts were accurate. If we look at forecast accuracy, the best result came from crypto predictions. Let's put everything in order. Yesterday's candle covered just one prediction. Speaking of ROI, some results were in profit and the strongest gain reached 5.80%. Here's the outcome summary, showing how accurate and effective each forecast was. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow recorded minus 5.80% ROI with $9,034.60 accuracy. Try to find which forecasts actually matched how the market moved. Let's see how tomorrow's forecasted returns compare between Bitcoin and a few other coins. Bitcoin is positioned second, while Binance Coin dominates tomorrow's outlook with 1.20%. Here, you can see Bitcoin compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended results and complete analyst accuracy overview will be published soon on my site and Telegram. And that's it for today. Subscribe to follow the real numbers, not just opinions. Take care and see you in the next one.